To another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So recently come back to the 5-minute auto pairing, the RAF of the 5-minute auto pairing. Can be very, very tricky. Can I play this for fun or not? No, it's not worth it. No, let's try and play positionally. Okay, let's try and just mark the d4 square. I think this is what most players would consider doing, and I think it's a logical thing. Let's clamp down on d4 and just put a knight there later, like knight e6 to d4. He's weakening a bit his dark square control with this. Can I get rid of that knight and get rid of this one as well? If I get rid of the knights, I should be okay. I know it's a bit dull, but I should be okay. Famous last words. If I take this knight, the knight versus bishop scenario. Maybe f6 here first. Try and make things more robust around my king. I hope. If I can take a knight here. Might be popping into f5. There's rook f7, queen b6. Am I popping into f5? I seem to be in a bit of a passive way here. If I double the rooks defensively, I'm hoping he's not going to sacrifice anything unexpected. I just want to double my rooks. If I take like this, he's weakened d5. Does he protect that? He might weaken d4, then I get to d4, knight f5. Unless he does an exchange sack. That might be the idea, that he does an exchange sack. So hold on. I'll put a knight on d6 instead for the moment. I don't want to allow this exchange sack. If I have a knight on d6, blockading, f5 if he plays g5. So I'm going to play f5 myself in the future. Right. Is f5 playable? He's got these checks. If I played like this, f5, right, f5 here. I'm going to try and play for maybe f4 and hit the h3 pawn. I'm going to hit the h3 pawn and squish a bit his rooks and stop the queen coming on this diagonal. Yeah, it looks pretty good overall, I think. And then the knight maybe can come more safely to f5. Well, he's got bishop g4. Bishop g4 puts a spanner in the works. Nevertheless, maybe knight f5, not threatening knight g3. I could let him just take that off and hope for the best. I'll be on h3 immediately. Threatening knight g3 check. Maybe that's quite useful. Right, so knight g3 check, and then I have to protect d6 after.
Check.
I'll pre-move this one. I want to play like rook. I'll have to protect this e5. At least I'm stopping rook e2, so a rook on g7 to stop the pin, rook on e8 to protect the pawn when he attacks it more. And then maybe there's h5 on the cards after that. So rook g7, rook e8 and h5, kick this bishop away. I think I might try and get an attack. Funny enough. Okay, I have to defend, although he's got bishop e6 now. If I played rook g7 and he took here, is rook g7 playable? Yes, I think it is rook e5, there's a knight e4 check. Queen e5, there's knight e4 check. If I can just sack the exchange just to get rid of this annoying construction. If I was hitting h3 of the king, okay, on king h2. If I sack the exchange here, I'm tempted. Then it seems solid enough with rook f4. There's rook g5 if I want to play a bit. Maybe it says rook f4. Okay. e4 takes. What to do? Rook g5, rook f4, right? We've said that. I've said that. Alright, let's not lose on time either. But isn't this tricky? Yeah, okay. It's tricky. It's official. My e5 pawn. Do I just give it up and then hope for the best? Takes. Try and look at the forcing moves. f3, e5. f4. I can't see anything. Unfortunately. Yeah, I think I don't know. I can't see anything. I think I'm crumbling. Unfortunately, queen e5. I'm crumbling. He's got more time as well. Is there knight f1 check trick? Well, not really. Doesn't really do much. He gets the queens off though.
Check.
Oh, that's sad. Alright, let's see if I had any opportunities. That's really sad. I thought I was getting a good game.
Check.
Seems white was better. I'm so optimistic here, but my e5 is really quite weak. You know, I think this is really horrible. This pin. Yeah, I'm in big trouble because he's putting more pressure on e5 all the time with this. It's better for white, isn't it? It's miles better for white. Yeah, the problem is if I played rook g5, he's got. Oh, he plays at h4 apparently. Oh crikey. Yeah, it's over after this. Oh well, tough one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.